and in fact, even as a short-term solution, if you're using any chemical type medication or chemical type creams like steroids or concealers or makeup that contains lots of chemicals, then you are really making the situation worse, because what you put on your skin is also absorbed and it will go into your body internally. It will cause fix psoriasis fast. This is the topic of today's video. Do give me a thumbs up, like, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, because we are constantly sharing tips and useful information in relation to skin health and overall wellness. My name's Petrina. I'm the co-founder of Planet Wellness, and over the years, Ronald and myself, we have helped thousands of customers with skin problems. Our skin is our largest organ, and what is reflected on the outside is a reflection of how healthy you are internally. So please be mindful of that. If you're suffering from psoriasis or any other skin concerns, then the solution is not to only address what you're putting on your skin. Yes, you may be putting makeup, concealers. However, these are not the solutions, not the long-term solutions. And in fact, even as a short-term solution, if you're using any chemical type medication or chemical type creams like steroids or concealers or makeup that contains lots of chemicals, then you are really making the situation worse, because what you put on your skin is also absorbed and it will go into your body internally. It will cause organs such as your liver to work harder to expel the toxins back out of your body via your skin, the largest organ, and your psoriasis or any skin concerns that you are suffering from will eventually become worse. So watch on so that I can share with you how you can heal psoriasis fast. When I say fast, it's not a matter of overnight or even a few days. Yes, you may get some results within a few days or a few weeks or even a few years. It all depends on how severe your psoriasis or your skin concern is. We have written a free guide, this one, which is 6 proven secrets to improve psoriasis in as little as 8 weeks or less. This is a real life booklet written based on our customer, the before and the after photo of her arm in under 8 weeks when she followed our recommendations. This is how the book is. It's got about 16 pages or so of very useful information. This lady, she was suffering from psoriasis, that's how bad her skin was, for over 40 years. We fixed her in 8 weeks. That is because she followed our recommendations, and in fact, she didn't even follow our recommendations 100%, because we don't expect our customers to, because we're all human, and yes, there will be things that we may not follow 100%. However, she got results by following our recommendations as much as she could. Imagine 40 plus years of suffering compared to just 8 weeks in getting the amazing results. So if you're thinking of fixing psoriasis fast, this is how fast it can be. 40 years is a long time. It's like half or more of a person's life compared to just 2 months. Is that quick enough for you? If it isn't, then you need to be mindful of how long you've been suffering and how much effort and discipline you'd like to put in to get the results fast. You need to be reminded that your psoriasis or your skin conditions did not happen overnight. It did not just happen suddenly. It's been caused by a buildup of toxins in terms of pollution that we expose ourselves to, such as vehicle fumes, cigarette smoke, vaping fumes as well, full of chemicals. It could come from the foods and drinks that we eat, the foods that are sadly heavily sprayed with chemicals these days, and also grown in not great nutrient-dense soil, so that we're not getting the nutrients that our body needs to maintain healthy skin. And it could also be caused by emotions, negative emotions. Have we been frustrated or stressed or facing anxiety or other pressures in life, as we all face as humans? So how we manage it and how we overcome it, and also how we be mindful of how we can reduce it or minimize those stress, those anxiety moments, those frustrating moments in our lives, then our health will eventually get better. So remember, do request for this free guide. It will be emailed to you. And if you want to have an online course, we have a very affordable online course called Psoriasis Expert Secrets. Do check it out and learn from the course as well. However, to fast track your results, we highly recommend that you book in for a free discovery call with us so that we can discuss your specific requirements in more detail and to guide you and customize our recommendations accordingly. I hope you found this video useful. Do give me a thumbs up, like, and also share this channel with your friends. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel as well, so that we can help many more like you who are suffering unnecessarily based on either incorrect or inadequate knowledge as to how to fix your psoriasis fast.